All right, let's unbox something every website owner needs. Here it is, Squirrly SEO, straight from AppSumo. Let's see what all the AI-powered hype is about. First impression, clean interface, super easy to navigate. It promises data-driven SEO goals. I'm intrigued already. Let's connect it to my WordPress site. Takes just a minute. Instantly, Squirrly gives me a personalized SEO dashboard. The AI consultant pops up, offering actionable recommendations. It's not generic advice. Everything is tailored to my content. I love how it highlights exactly what to fix for ranking. Checking keyword suggestions. These are based on real data. The live assistant guides me step by step through improvements. I'm seeing SEO tasks prioritized by impact and urgency. No more guessing games, just clear data-backed actions. The integration with WordPress is seamless. No tech headaches. It even tracks my Google rankings in real time. I can monitor progress and see what's actually working. The AI doesn't just analyze, it teaches as you go. Perfect for bloggers, marketers, or any website owner. If you want to boost traffic, this tool is gold. I appreciate the transparency. Every suggestion is explained. No fluff, just actionable steps to climb search results. Honestly, it's like having an SEO expert on call. I've tried other plugins. This one feels smarter and faster. If you're tired of stagnant rankings, give this a try. Warning, you might get addicted to checking your progress. Right now, Squirrly SEO is on AppSumo at a great deal. Don't miss out, grab it before the offer ends. I'm genuinely impressed. This is a must-have for WordPress. Ready to rank higher? Check out Squirrly SEO on AppSumo.